Welcome. In this video, we're going to take you through our hike to this beautiful subway cave here in Boynton Canyon Trail. We're also going to do one more hike. We're going to do the West Oak Creek Trail, I believe it is.
And I also would like to check out the Slide Rock.
Slide Rock.
First stop, the brewery, just 15 minutes outside Phoenix Airport. And then we have ourselves a 2-hour drive to our hotel, June Pine Resort.
This is our second take, just so everyone knows. We locked ourselves out, so Lena had to go and climb the balcony to get us in. Oh, what a pretty nice little spot here. Here is our room as well. And we also have access, private access to the balcony. Pretty nice little bathroom as well. Starting off our day with the Subway Cave hike at the Boynton Canyon Trail.
Well, a day hike is only $5.
Right.
It's really cheap.
Right. If you don't have annual parks pass, it's just $5 for day use. But hopefully it'll be a cool trail.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, we are walking up to the fabled alligator skin looking tree where we take a right, go to Subway Cave. And this is it. And then just in case we were mistaken by the tree, that's a pretty recognizable arrow. Terrain is getting a little more fierce. Heading up to the Subway Cave here. Well, here we go. Final little push here up to the Subway Cave. We are on the trail pretty much at 7 a.m. here at West Fork Oak Creek Trail. Beautiful morning, not a ton of people here yet, so we lucked out there.
Well, it's $15 per car, and they don't take the annual pass from the beautiful...
Yeah, America the Beautiful pass. Yeah, I thought I saw that online, but no big deal, $15 per car, at least with the two of us. So we'll see how it goes. Just had our first creek crossing. We chose different paths, which is cool. They give you a couple different options on how you can cross, but no real way to get wet yet. I mean, I guess you could fall in, but that was pretty easy so far. Made our way to Slide Rock after our epic hike this morning in the Subway Cave at Boynton Canyon.
It's time to pull down.
It is time to cool down. This is us being kids. Okay. There you go, man.
It is $30 per vehicle for the entrance, so you know.
Right? What are the hours here?
8 to 5.
8 to 5.
But it is very crowded.
Very crowded, a lot of people. As you can see, we found a little spot under a rock in the shade. So it's really cool. It's just, you know, a little slot canyon with water going through with a little slide formation. All the kids and adults.
you plan on getting in the water, bring your water shoes.
Oh,
It's
yes.
very slippery.
Yeah, there's a reason why they call it slide rock, because you will slip on your ass.
And the water is still pretty cool.
It is. Yeah, it's pretty cold actually.
Cold. But it'll be a good place to hang out for the hot summer day.
Yes, it will.
Day 4, and we've made our way to the Page Springs Cellars. We're on our way back to Phoenix from Sedona.
Yeah, we picked this one, and it's really a nice pick. It's a really cool place, and you don't have to make a reservation. We just walked in, and they open at 11. I think it's 11 to 6.
Something like that. But yeah, as you can see, there's no one around us right now. So we said,
Yeah.
oh, great outro time.
Yeah, and they have the grape wines and very cool location.
So with that concludes our trip to Sedona.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah,
And we'll make sure that we continue to travel. So stick around, hit the like button if you've stuck with us this whole time, and subscribe.
and we'll take you to more places.
We will.